Welcome back to Mixup. Yes, and today making the cut is Dwayne. Yeah, Dwayne came out with a strong prayer. Yeah, him strong Psalm 27. Him a lick shot over there. Yeah, pan all them haters them. Dwayne say, I've been reading this for a long time against my haters, and him come out today to make them know that Psalm 27 him a use and a win. Yeah. So and Dwayne also big up his friend 13, Kingston 13. Yes, Kingston 13. Him co-host and them ready to take the stride together. Yeah. Him happy for have her as part of him team. And he's happy that she's always there for him in terms of she's the one who calm him down when he gets fiery. So please stay tuned for the details and a synopsis of the clip with Dwayne saying his prayer. Well, I call it a prayer still, but reading is Psalm 27. And remember, if stay over here, subscribe, comment, and share out the video. You know what to do, do it right now. Yeah. Alright.
Here's a synopsis of Dwayne praying or reading his Bible, I should say. Yes, these are for his haters. Psalm 27 drop on them.
Psalms 27. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evil men advance against me, evil men and women advance against me to devour my flesh, when the enemies and my foes attack me, they will stumble and fall. I'll say it one more time. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord.
May I beg enough to subscribe now? Share, like, and comment on the video.
Is my stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evil, wicked men and women advance against me to devour my flesh, when my enemies and my foes attack me, they will stumble and fall. Good morning, Facebook. Good morning. To all of my enemies on social media, to all of the people who hate Dwayne Fletcher for no reason, to all of the people who have the most to say about Dwayne Fletcher for no reason, hear me. Psalms 27 in on a rotted. Psalms 27 and on a cockroach. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is my stronghold of my life. Is the stronghold of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When evil, wicked men and women advance against me to devour my flesh. When my enemies and my foes attack me, they will stumble and fall. Respectfully, I'm here to read the Psalms on my enemies. All of you, you know yourself by name and number. My enemies, you know yourselves by name and number. Be very clear, Dwayne Fletcher has been doing this thing for some time now. I've been doing it alone, but bear in mind, I love Kingston 13. 13, anywhere you are right now, Dwayne Fletcher loves you with all of his heart and soul. This is why I love to host my show with me and you. You are someone with, how can I put it? 13, you are someone who keeps me grounded. Absolutely, that's the word I'm going to use. Kingston 13 keeps me grounded because a lot of times I want to come on my page and just go off. 13 says, Dwayne. I don't mind when 13 says Dwayne. No, I don't. I love when 13 says Dwayne. And I also love when she says, Dwayne, you're going about it the wrong way. This is how you should. So you know what? Actually, you're right, 13. You are 100% right. No, I need to go and get a shave and afternoon. Bye, guys. Bye.
So that's it for today, blenders, and thank you so much for watching this video. Big up on a nice Mixup and enough respect, love, peace and joy to you. Remember, always follow, share and subscribe.